The industry's most popular range of detector testing kit for over 20 years, the Solo range, is now evolving to offer more choice and increase benefits to fire industry professionals. The arrival of the new Solo 365 smoke detector tester is a significant development that puts both new technology and improved performance into the hands of users. Smoke generation starts and stops using a proximity sensor, meaning it's quicker to test, faster to clear, and almost impossible to over-apply. It means there's minimal smoke wastage and no risk of detector contamination. When light levels drop, an LED torch automatically illuminates, making it ideal for use in dark areas such as ceiling voids. This feature makes for easier locating of detectors and alignment, and ultimately simpler, faster testing in dark areas. In tight or confined spaces, the slimline design allows for easy access, making Solo 365 suitable for a wider range of sites and helping ensure more hard-to-access detectors are tested. Consumables are easily fitted into the rear of Solo 365. Smoke is generated via non-pressurized cartridges, offering compatibility with the widest range of detectors, easy storage and transportation, and improved performance at all temperatures. Solo 365 takes everything expected from a Solo product, pairs it with the very latest technology, and wraps it in a modern design. It offers full compliance with the latest regulations and comes with the approval of leading detector manufacturers. Solo 365. Faster, simpler, cleaner.